Has anyone ever told you that what you eat plays a direct impact on how your knees and your joint function? This is true. If you don't believe me, try eating a big piece of steak and some beer when you're suffering from arthritis, and you'll see that what I'm saying is completely true. Most people ignore that what they eat can actually benefit or damage knee and health conditions. This is actually why we see so many patients who have lost hope in finding a cure for their condition, especially because no one has ever told them that what they are eating is worsening their problem. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 top foods that you can eat every day to improve joint and knee pain once and for all. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, to my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. If you think about it, the first factor for health in the human body starts with food. For example, if you eat too much salt, your blood pressure goes up, you stress out your kidneys, and water retention increases. If you eat too much meat, gout may appear and your blood acidifies, and sometimes you can't even fall asleep. Now, if you eat celery, the liver detoxifies, your kidneys cleanse, and the same thing happens with every single food you choose to eat or to avoid. You need to know what foods you should be consuming to make sure that your knees and joints benefit from their characteristics. So in today's video, I'll reveal 5 top foods you can eat every day to improve joint and knee pain once and for all. Number 1, celery. Most people don't know how incredible the use of celery can be. This vegetable can virtually be found anywhere in the world and has 3 very important characteristics. First, it's an anti-inflammatory substance, or vegetable if you want, meaning it reduces inflammation all around the body. Second, it's a diuretic, meaning it helps your kidneys filter out substances that can accumulate in circulation and that in the long run do nothing more than worsen joint and knee health. And third, it's an extremely effective detoxifying herb that can clean your organs, your blood, your liver, from every single toxin that can damage your joints and your knees. I use celery a lot in patients that have the tendency to accumulate uric acid in their blood, causing joint inflammation. But apart from this, studies show that celery contains key several components that help decrease inflammation everywhere in the body. Celery doesn't only help decrease the symptoms of inflammatory conditions like, for example, rheumatoid arthritis, but also Crohn's disease, protects you against chronic diseases as well, does everything at the same time. So now you know, lots of celery as a snack, maybe as a juice, any way you can have it. Number 2, bone broth and collagen. We never think of bone or bone broth as something everyone can have to improve their bone health. Bone broth carries everything your bones, your knees, and your joints need: nutrients, minerals, collagen if necessary, to relieve joint and bone pain. Guess where collagen comes from? Mainly bones and bone marrow. Collagen, on the other side, helps maintain the integrity of your knees, your bones, your hair, your skin, and cartilage, which is a rubber-like tissue that protects your joints. We tend to forget that the amount of collagen in our body decreases as we get older, and the risk of developing degenerative joint conditions and disorders increases. This is why some studies have demonstrated how taking bone broth or even collagen supplements can help improve symptoms of osteoarthritis and even reduce joint pain overall. And this is actually helpful for any condition you might have: arthritis, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, osteopenia, and even signs of aging. If you need the best quality collagen supplement formula you can use or have every single day for bone structure and knee function, look for Collagen Bone Ultra from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, turmeric. I don't know if you knew this, but turmeric is the most popular spice used in Indian food cuisine. In other words, it's food that has been used for thousands of years and people know that it works because they've seen it work in thousands of years. As a matter of fact, curcumin, which is the main ingredient in turmeric, is one of the most effective and popular supplements that you can take for all sorts of joint and inflammatory conditions, even pain, joint pain, arthritis, inflammatory problems, anything you want. More than 100 active components have been isolated in turmeric, and this includes substances that include turmerone, which in many other cases has other incredibly very important health benefits. Just so you have a good idea of how powerful curcumin can be, in one study, researchers investigated the effects of curcumin supplements given to rheumatoid arthritis patients, comparing them to conventional arthritis drugs. And believe it or not, curcumin was more effective with obviously no side effects. So don't ignore it. Go ahead and add turmeric and add curcumin to everything you can. Your food, maybe as a supplement, anything you can. If you need a good quality supplement formula that contains a 95% curcuminoid extract with bioperin to enhance its absorption and effect by 2,000% in your body, look for Curcu Health from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, start consuming lots of lemons and cherries. Most people don't know that the consumption of certain foods, especially lemons and cherries, can also help reduce joint pain, especially when it appears due to high uric acid levels or even gout. What you need to do here is basically alkalize your body to help those kidneys excrete all that uric acid more easily through urine. So for example, citrus fruits, especially lemon juice, is one of the most alkalizing foods on the planet. It's a lot easier for your kidneys to filter out uric acid when your blood is more alkaline than when your blood is acidic. For example, a 2017 study found that lemon juice or lemon extract helps reduce and lower uric acid levels in your blood, obviously reducing inflammation in your joints also. What I suggest you do is just reproduce that same scientific study at home. Just take some lemon juice, take some cherries, eat them all you can. And the other one is cherries, because cherries is becoming increasingly popular for uric acid treatment. There are several studies that prove its efficacy, and people know about this. They take supplements because it works. So go ahead and work with it, use it, eat it, do everything you can to get cherries in your diet. Number 5, eat more vegetables and less red meat. Believe it or not, vegetables are great for your joints, especially leafy green vegetables. Vegetables are some of the best sources for vitamin C, which stimulates the production of bone-forming cells. On the other hand, for some reason, eating too much meat is actually tied to more inflammation in your joints and worse inflammatory conditions all over. Vegetables seem to increase that bone mineral density, and meat seems to include or actually increase that uric acid content, improving or actually decreasing the effect of anything you might be taking to reduce inflammation. What I suggest you do is start eating a lot of leafy green vegetables that contain loads of magnesium and decreasing that red meat consumption to calcify your bones. Calcium and magnesium work together, by the way, to increase mineral bone density. So you need both if you're going to take anything to improve this factor. And help out the channel by giving us your thumbs up and sharing with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos related to stopping and valid information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.